Did you know that the concept of dwarf planets only emerged in the early 21st century? Quite recent, isn't it? Dwarf planets, a term that sounds both familiar and alien, are celestial bodies that share some traits with the planets we all know and love, yet they dance to a slightly different tune. Their orbits around the sun are as real as those of Earth or Mars, and their round shape is as distinct as that of Jupiter or Saturn. But here's the catch. Unlike their larger siblings, dwarf planets have not cleared their orbital neighborhoods of other objects. This intriguing category of celestial bodies came into existence as scientists began to uncover objects in the outer solar system that bore a striking resemblance to Pluto. As the 21st century dawned, our understanding of the cosmos was poised for an evolution. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, the final arbiter in matter celestial, adopted a new definition of a planet. This new definition, like a velvet rope at a swanky nightclub, excluded Pluto and other similar objects, relegating them to a new classification: dwarf planets. As of 2023, the exclusive club of officially recognized dwarf planets has 5 members: Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres. These celestial bodies are as diverse as they are distant, boasting a variety of geological features such as impact craters, mountain ranges, valleys, plains, and ice deposits. Some may even hide subsurface oceans or lakes beneath their icy exteriors, and possess thin atmospheres composed of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and methane. Their orbital characteristics are equally varied, reflecting their unique histories and interactions within the solar system. As we continue to explore these distant worlds, the data we gather will expand our understanding of these fascinating celestial bodies. Now let's dive in and explore the unique features of each of these fascinating celestial bodies. Pluto, once known as the 9th planet of our solar system, now holds the title of the first dwarf planet. This icy celestial body, nestled in the outermost reaches of our solar system, is far more than just a simple sphere of rock and ice. Let's delve into the mysteries of Pluto. Pluto's landscape is incredibly diverse, with a fascinating mix of geological features. It sports immense mountain ranges, vast plains, and deep valleys, all shaped by the extreme conditions of its environment. But perhaps the most striking aspect of Pluto's geography is its collection of impact craters, the scars of countless celestial collisions. These craters are the silent storytellers of Pluto's past, each one a testament to the dwarf planet's enduring presence in the solar system. Beyond its surface, Pluto harbors an intriguing atmosphere. Comprised mainly of nitrogen with traces of carbon monoxide and methane, this thin veil of gases undergoes dramatic changes as Pluto orbits the Sun. When it nears the Sun, the ice on Pluto's surface sublimates, thickening the atmosphere. But as it moves away, the atmosphere freezes and falls back onto the surface. This ebb and flow of Pluto's atmospheric ice is a unique spectacle in our solar system. Pluto's orbit, too, is quite distinctive. Unlike the largely circular orbits of the planets, Pluto's path around the Sun is highly elliptical and inclined, reflecting its unique history and interactions within the solar system. The key to unlocking Pluto's mysteries came in the form of NASA's New Horizons mission. Launched in 2006, this spacecraft journeyed across billions of miles, providing us with our first close-up view of Pluto. The data gathered by New Horizons has been instrumental in expanding our understanding of this enigmatic dwarf planet and its place in the cosmos. Despite being demoted to a dwarf planet, Pluto continues to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Its diverse landscape, fluctuating atmosphere, and unique orbit make it a fascinating subject of study, a testament to the unending wonders of our solar system. And as we continue to explore the outer reaches of our cosmic neighborhood, who knows what other secrets Pluto may reveal. While Pluto might be the most well-known, the other 4 recognized dwarf planets, Eris, Haumea, Makemake, and Ceres, are just as intriguing. Let's start with Eris. Named after the Greek goddess of discord and strife, Eris is the 2nd largest dwarf planet in our solar system and is known for its highly reflective surface. This icy world is covered in a thin layer of frozen atmosphere, making it one of the brightest objects in the outer solar system. Eris's orbit, which is highly elliptical and inclined, takes it nearly 3 times farther from the Sun than Pluto at its farthest point. This remote world is a testament to the diversity and unpredictability of our solar system. Moving on, we have Haumea, a fascinating dwarf planet that spins so fast it's shaped like an American football. This rapid rotation, completing a spin in less than 4 hours, makes Haumea the fastest rotating large object in our solar system. Its unique shape is not the only thing that sets Haumea apart. This dwarf planet is surrounded by a thin crystalline coat of ice, and it also has 2 tiny moons of its own. Haumea's elliptical orbit takes it beyond Neptune, a journey that takes an astounding 283 Earth years to complete. Next up is Makemake, named after the creation deity of the Rapa Nui people of Easter Island. Makemake is the second brightest object in the Kuiper belt after Pluto. This remote world is covered in frozen methane, giving it a reddish-brown hue. Makemake's orbit is slightly more circular than that of other dwarf planets, but it still takes a lengthy 307 years to complete one loop around the Sun. Despite its cold, inhospitable surface, Makemake remains a fascinating object of study for astronomers. Last but definitely not least, we have Ceres. Unlike its counterparts, Ceres resides in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, making it the closest dwarf planet to the Sun. Ceres is unique for its water content. It's believed to have a substantial amount of water ice and may even harbor a subsurface ocean. Its surface is peppered with craters, valleys, and mountains, and it's the only dwarf planet to have been visited by a spacecraft, giving us a close-up look at this intriguing world. Just like Pluto, these 4 dwarf planets offer a wealth of information about the outer reaches of our solar system. With the advancement of technology, our understanding of these dwarf planets continues to expand. We're not just looking through telescopes anymore. We're actually sending spacecraft to these far-flung celestial bodies. Take NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission, for example. This spacecraft was launched in 2016 with the primary aim of studying Bennu, a near-Earth asteroid. However, the technology and data-gathering techniques used in this mission could very well be applied to future exploration of dwarf planets. From these missions, we hope to learn more about the composition, atmosphere, and potential geological activity of these dwarf planets. Imagine discovering evidence of a subsurface ocean on Pluto, or finding out that Eris has a methane-rich atmosphere. There's so much we don't know yet, and these missions could provide the answers we're looking for. And it's not just about gathering data. These missions are also about testing new technologies that could be used in future space exploration. For instance, the spacecraft used in the OSIRIS-REx mission is equipped with a robotic arm that can collect samples from the surface of a celestial body. This technology could be incredibly useful in future missions to dwarf planets. But perhaps the most exciting part about these missions is that they might change our understanding of the solar system. We might discover that dwarf planets are not just smaller versions of planets, but unique celestial bodies with their own distinct characteristics and histories. This could open up a whole new realm of possibilities for space exploration. As we continue to explore these celestial bodies, who knows what other intriguing discoveries await us? Maybe we'll find evidence of life on a dwarf planet, or discover a new dwarf planet that we didn't even know existed. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes the future of dwarf planet exploration so exciting.